We are back to No Hat 2024. This year we keep the same, but we grow even more. 1,000 people, 4 tracks in parallel. We added a bunch of new workshops. We have more than 25 speakers, so I can only be happy about that.
My name is David L. I'm Eduardo Gavrulayev.
This is Andrea Lievi.
I'm Adam Shaw, and my name is Matt Virus. A colleague, Adam Shaw, and I are presenting today on our time in a product review cabal and the malware and bugs that came with it.
My talk is about Behind the Cheats, a tale about a greedy cheat developer.
The modern mitigation in Windows.
Evil twin parcelable class.
No Hat Bergamo is a really great conference. The people are great, the topics are amazing, the location is great.
Fantastic music and slides, very exciting decorations. It is a very well-run security conference, and if you have any hesitations or any wonderings, you should for sure come.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
We believe that No Hat is I would say the most interesting security conference here in Northern Italy, and maybe I would say of entire Italy. And that's why we're big supporters of No Hat, so we are super happy to be here.
We are a platinum sponsor and we participate to this kind of conference to contribute with our business case and our experience to share with other people.
È proprio questo clima da community che anno in anno si sviluppa e cresce sempre di più. Quest'anno rispetto all'anno scorso abbiamo visto un'adesione delle persone pazzesca.
It sound right, boy.